Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our Seekway Magic Player to create effects and add text on the overlay. Firstly, add an advanced effect. An advanced effect is a type of effect style. Add to program. There's a effects interface showing up. Here is total color band. This tells us there are 120 frames in this effect. This is the color strip. We can add color strips here, or create our own color strips. Let's delete these color strips and create a new effect. Click a color stop. Change it color. Edit. If we want more yellow, we can increase the proportion of yellow in the color strip. Add a new color stop. Choose yellow. Just by tweaking the color stop, we can adjust the color range. Edit. If we want a softer effect, we can adjust it to 90 frames per second. During the process of creating the effect, we can change the style anytime. We can adjust its speed. There are two ways to do this, depending on personal preference. We can adjust the center point of the effect. Besides, we can copy and paste the color strip. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V is OK. We can adjust mirror and segment. Then we try adding text to the effect we've created. Click here to add an overlay. Add text. Type in Seekway. Pick the font and size. Bold. Hold it for 5 seconds. Save it. Play. We can see the scene we've created. We can also drag the text module to adjust the time it appears. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.